The next presentation is by Mr. Kadam, the founder of. Uh, yeah, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Myself, architect Shaunak Kadam. I am the founder and CEO of Redox Sustainable Environs Private Limited. Before I begin, I would like to thank NDP and Equash for giving this opportunity to us. Next, please. So to begin with, Redox has been founded by 7 billionaire friends with a vision to achieve sustainable development goals set by United Nations. Now, what is Redox? Redox is an abbreviation of Get Rid of Your Trash. Redox is nothing but a mobile app which aims to
Mr. Kadam, can I please request you to be a little louder? Some of the members are not able to hear you.
Okay. Now, what is Redox? Redox is an abbreviation of Get Rid of Your Trash. Redox is nothing but a mobile app to help in segregation of inorganic solid waste at its source only. We are currently operational in Satara and Pune city. We have 250 plus downloads post lockdown, and we are growing steadily since lockdown has lifted. Next, please. So, main problem in the management is identified as segregation at source. Hence, most of the plastic waste finds its way to landfills. Also, per capita cost for management of waste is increasing day by day. So, basic concept of Redox is to collect plastic waste with the help of local shops like Kirana, pharmacies, apparel stores, mobile shops, kabadi walas, or whoever is interested in making money out of waste using Redox app as a mediator platform. Redox is pretty simple. People are supposed to dump their plastic waste in nearby shop, which is Redox collector. It will be then weighed and both collector and individual is rewarded instantaneously. Herein, Redox creates trash history along with date, time, location, category of trash, which can be shared on your social media platforms. Here, you can see one of the Redox collector is collecting the plastic waste under our flagship program called Get. Collector has decided voluntarily to collect the plastic waste and he gives discounts in the purchase against the grammage value of plastic. Also, both of them get online rewards also. This app can be used by recycling startups, NGOs, environmentalists, ULBs, kabadiwalas, rag pickers, haulers to recover plastic or any kind of trash for that matter. Please. To make it happen, we have worked out action plan on a city level for plastic waste management, which can ideally be executed all over the country or all over the globe, if possible. We are implementing this action plan in Satara. So the first step is to identify the local or multinational brand to get or sponsor for Redox. Secondly, identify the collectors for each kind of trash, be it shops or kabadiwalas, but mainly for plastics. Thirdly, marketing and advertising of app on city level. Fourth one is very important. We convince ULBs to promote and support the idea if tax exemptions are to be given to collectors. Also, for the collection of plastic waste, ULB's role is very important. Secondly, we identify the NGOs, environment groups, schools who can support the idea and start collecting the plastic waste. Sixth, design and run the campaigns with the help of affiliates, NGOs, and ULBs. If I would like to request all of the city officials to, comment on this. We are trying to convince ULBs to run pilot project under Swachh Bharat mission, where you can get, I think, 25 marks for implementing the innovative idea, technological. There is some help. You can get the marks also, and Redof idea can be placed on ground level pretty practically by this thing. Next, please. Now let's discuss the key features of the app. Redof is an open source app, means it's free to use. Anyone can use in India. Redof can be downloaded and start recovering the plastic waste. Actually, it is the seed for circular economy. Basically, what we do nothing but to recover all the waste. Okay, let it be anything, let it be plastic, e-waste, clothes, or whatever. Secondly, we have 100% clean recovery of plastic waste or any kind of waste because our collectors do not accept the sticky or contaminated plastic waste. Thirdly, Redof makes everyone accountable for their plastic waste, right from company to ULBs to citizens. EPR policy can be run practically on ground level. We are running this in Satara city, Maharashtra, wherein Redof has 3 affiliate companies. Plastic waste is collected by Redof collectors notified by the affiliate. Fourth one, Redof is making a habit to dump plastic with collectors and not into the MSW vehicles. This behavioral change is very important in Indian cities. We are trying behavioral changing, trying to drive behavioral change in citizens. Fifth, Redof is generating real-time data for track on which road, locality, how much plastic is consumed by a particular household, and trust me, it's a real-time data for FMCG companies to recover their plastic waste. If there is a tomorrow there is a alternative of plastic, say which can be recycled 100%, reused that material for packaging, Redof is a best alternative to recover that packaging material. If we succeed in our efforts, Redof can generate real-time data for trash all over the globe. Sixth one, that there is value to plastic waste. So people are reluctant to segregate. The first step to create a value for anything is to measure it. This simple act of measuring the waste creates value, be it 1 gram or 1 ton. Technically speaking, Redof app does only. Measured values are to be filled, and for doing so, both collector and individual gets rewarded. Redof collectors can design their reward schemes based on grammage value of plastic. One of the chartwala collecting the plastic waste using Redof app and discounting against the grammage value on minimum purchase of say 250 rupees of chart. Seventh, Redof collectors collects the waste in 27 categories. It can be used as a tool for learning waste management. We are about to start pilot project with schools to recover plastic waste. 8 point, Redof creates job at grassroots level. So there is a concept like Swiggy and Zomato, you call them runners, no? They come to your doorstep and deliver food to you. So we have a concept called Reed. Reed is an individual who is collecting the trash door to door, like kabadiwala or hauler, and making the living out of it.
Mr. Kadam, sorry, but take quick time check.
Yeah, Reeds will be given training for collecting and segregation. All of the collected trash is to be then sold or registered super collectors or to ULBs or local kabadiwalas. Next, please. Next, please. Okay. So implementation cost up till date is 2 lakhs. What you see on Play Store is our minimum viable product. We are also about to upgrade the app with new features in current times. Our implementation experiences are very interesting. Rather, this experience only energy which keeps us going. In a nutshell, I would like to say everybody is trying to solve the problem. Our job is to connect them all on the Redof platform. Next. If you really want to achieve sustainable development goals and live truly sustainable life, our humble philosophy is think globally, act locally. Thank you.
Mr. Chari, can I just take on the questions here? Actually, there are no questions, but there are 4 members. Mr. Vishal, Mr. Galide, Mr. Vishal Galide, Manish Kothari, and Ms. Veera Vilasini. I think they all want to work with you, Mr. Kadam, and they're asking for your contact details. So maybe you can place it in the chat box. Also, the book of innovations will be up on the website in another 1 hour. All the contact details, phone number, everything is there. So you can connect with Mr. Kadam at the earliest.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Kadam, just quick questions. I'm conscious of the time. One is, are you ready to work in other states and cities? Number 1, and what support you need from urban local bodies?
Okay, we are very much open to work anywhere, and ULBs we can run the pilot project with ULBs. Just say to run the pilot project, we need ULBs. We identify the shops on a particular street. Okay, they will collect the plastic waste, and it will be measured, and against that kg value, there is a little tax exemption, just for this say to promote the activity. What we are trying to do, जो जहाँ से आपके घर में आ रहा है वो वहाँ पे जाके dump कर दो. We call ourselves fast moving consumer trash company. The problem of plastic is associated with fast moving consumer goods companies, and all of them are packaged their consumables in plastic only. So we want to correct those those dots. So that will be taken to ULBs, or it will be given to company itself directly.
So what you're saying is you need a little bit of facilitation and nudging, and if possible incentives. Local body can extend incentives, regulate them to collaborate with you. That's all support is required, and we can start with the bulk waste generators to begin with, because as per the municipal solid waste management rules also, all the municipalities have to focus on bulk waste generators, and we can start with plastics in that direction. Thank you, Mr.